But they were so against mustache. All orders of Amish, New Order and Old Order, are against a mustache. But the reason I call it religious confusion is because I was told, well, the women have to keep the hair. Whatever God gave them, they must keep. Well, God gave men hair here too, right? I never got a clear answer before I left the Amish. And I'd still love to have that question answered, because I've often wondered, well, if women have to keep their hair, why do men not have to keep their mustache hair then? But I do know they tried to explain it away and say that the worldly people, the non-Amish people, usually have a mustache. So therefore, if they do it, it's way too worldly and you cannot get into heaven with a mustache.